Welcome back, Nail Crew. Today is another episode of Try It Tuesday. Try It Tuesday. Try. All right, let me stop. My voice is hoarse. I'm not going to torture you guys. But guess what brand of polygel we're going to play with today, guys? Can you guess? Today's Try It Tuesday. We are going to play with this polygel. It is Elite 99. And what's so special about this polygel is that it's an actual soak off gel. So this is so perfect for you guys that are new to polygels, because all of the other polygels that I have tried so far, you have to file them off. And if you don't have a drill to file them off with, oh my goodness, it's just going to take forever. So this is a good place to start. I'm excited. Now, one issue I did have with this is that all the numbers are different. But when I open them up, they all look clear. So I'm assuming like one's clear, one's probably like a natural clear, and one is maybe a pink, like a sheer pink. I don't know, because they don't have names on the containers. They don't have colors on the containers anywhere. So I find that a little bit annoying, but we are going to try it today anyway, and we're going to figure it out. Once, if they're all different colors, then I will probably just write the color on here somewhere, and then that way I don't have to play this game anymore, okay? So let me get set up, and I'll be right back. All right, ladies, I think I have everything. Miss Becky has joined us. She is already prepped and primed. So she has the dehydrator on, she has the primer on, all that fun stuff, okay? So now let's just dive right on in. I got my little spatula and brush ready to go. Put that there. And let's just go in order from the least to the greatest in number. So we're going to start with a 002. All right. And 002 looks like that. All right, let's see what it is. It is thick. It is thick. I kind of like the thick polygels, to be honest. I can't even be mad at it. So that's what it looks like. I just took a little dollop out of the container, and I'm just gonna plop that right here. So, what color is that? Let's add my brush a little bit. I like this polygel. Okay, so in comparison to the other ones that I've tried, this one is a little stiffer than gel-like. It kind of feels like A Nails clear. Remember when I was playing with the A Nail and I said I really like the clear? This clear kind of feels like that one as well. Alright guys, so I have my small little layer of polygel on there. I'm just putting a small amount because I'm not trying to waste my polygel, y'all, okay? We just doing a little bit of a demo here, a little bit of a demo. Don't get crazy, guys. Don't get crazy. Alright, so normally, obviously, I would do a second layer, and the nail would be well built, and it would be nice and thick and have a good structure. But for Try It Tuesday, we are simply trying out the polygel. How well does it move? Is it sticky? Is it thick? Is it too soft? What color is it? Stuff like that. So this polygel, guys, I really like the color. So this is 002, right? It's clear and I like it. It's not running and moving anywhere. It literally stays where you put it. I like it. It does not stick to the brush or anything like that. Like I said, the consistency reminds me of the clear consistency in A Nail. So even though this is a soak off and my other polygels are not soak off, I like this polygel. I feel like it'll still give you long lasting wear. It feels really good when I'm trying to move it in place. So far, so good. Okay, so 002 is clear. Let's move on. I'm going to cure them all at the same time. So I'm going to put her down. If I was doing someone's nail, I would cure it first or flash cure it, then move on because I wouldn't want to mess up my friend's nail or whomever. But Miss Becky here, she doesn't mind. She's letting me play and practice. All right, so we are doing 003 next. Now with different colors usually come different consistencies. So let's just see. I'm trying to squeeze from the bottom up. This is hard to get out the tube. Squeezing out the tube reminds me of Model 1s. Model 1s, man, you got to put some back into that. All right, so this one looks, I don't know what color that is. Kind of like a very, very soft pink. I don't know. Let's see. So I like the consistency of the clear better. I don't know what the heck color this is. I think this is like, I don't know, like maybe a soft, it could be like a soft white. If you were going to do an ombre and you didn't want a sharp white and you just wanted something nice and, I guess, mild. Yeah, it looks like a very soft white. So this soft white color, it smooths out very, very well, I must say. It moves very well. It's a lot softer than the clear. So when you're trying to move this into place, it's a lot easier to move and to work with than the clear. I still love the clear, and this one is nice as well. So now let's move that finger out the way, and we are going to do the last color. So the last color is 005, and let's see. Very thick, guys. I'm gonna almost squeeze it with two hands. Now see, this one looks just like 002. Look at that. That looks like 002. I'm sorry. It looks the same. All right, I'm just gonna put a little drop right there. Yeah, this looks exactly like the first one. Got a little bit of alcohol on my brush. It's moving well, and it feels just like 002. So, I don't know if they messed up in the factory, you know, put like the wrong stickers on or what. I don't know what they did, but it is exactly the same. I need a little dab more at the bottom. This nail is a little longer. A little dab more right there. Alright, so let's look at them all together. They pretty much look exactly the same. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. They look exactly the same. So this is supposed to be the clear. This is supposed to be like a milky white. And then this one was clear as well. And yeah, I'm back to square one on this. So Elite 99, I don't know. Let me just go ahead and cure this. Let's cure this and see what happens. Okay, ladies, now I have baked this for a good 90 seconds. It took a little bit longer to cure, I guess, because I used opaque nails instead of clear tips. I don't know, but it took a little bit longer to cure than usual. So that was number one. And number two, now that they're all cured, they all look exactly the same. Exactly the same. So this was supposed to be clear, or so I thought. This one also looked clear. So the two on the ends looked clear coming out the tube. This one looked like a pearly kind of white. But in the end, once they're all cured and it's all said and done, they all look exactly the same. So I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I had high hopes. I had high hopes because it's a soak off, and I figured, hey, my new girls that are new to polygel might really, like this. They can put it on and soak it off. They don't have to get a drill. So I have mixed feelings. You know what I mean? All right, girls, let's just get into my thoughts. Let's just see what I feel. These are just my opinions. Don't crucify me in the comments. All right. Well, let's just start. Let's just start with the cons. Let's start with the bad and end with the good. All right. Well, I think that you get a thumbs down for poor packaging. You could have added the name of the color to the freaking package. Like, come on. All right. Also, the colors were way too similar. I couldn't tell what was clear from pink, from nude, from whatever. I just couldn't tell. Thumbs down for that. And then it took a little longer to cure than I'm used to. Thumbs down, baby. Thumbs down. Now, I got a little bit frustrated, so I ended up going back to where I ordered this from on AliExpress to look at how they advertised it. And 005 was clear, 003 was nude pink, and 002 was supposed to be transparent nude. But again, that did not come out when I actually did it. As you can tell, they all looked the same. That was very frustrating. I find that to be poor advertisement as well. I don't know. So those are my thumbs down points. Now let's talk about my thumbs up points. Elite 99, I must say you get a thumbs up because you are a soak off polygel. And I have not found any other soak off polygel, so thumbs up there. It was very thick and nice. I like the rich consistency. It didn't just, fly out the tube or anything like that. It was thick. And for me personally, I like a thicker polygel. It was easy to use, so that's another thumbs up. And it was not sticky. It didn't stick to the brush or anything like that. And another thumbs up, especially for people on a budget, or if you're new to polygel and you just want to try it out to see if you like it. It was very affordable. As you can see from the receipt that I posted, it was $3 and something cents a tube. So I definitely find that to be a thumbs up because you could afford it. You know what I mean? So those are my pros and cons, guys. My personal pros and cons. Tell me what you think. I want to know what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm going to leave this one up to you. I'll put the link below. If you want to give this polygel a try, just click on the link and purchase it and let me know how it turns out for you. I will definitely use all of this polygel. So I will definitely use it. I'm not going to toss it in the trash because it worked well. It wasn't sticky. It wasn't anything like that. So I will definitely use all of the supply that I have. Will I purchase it again? Probably not. Probably not. Because I have so many other polygels that work very well and they have names on it. Okay. And the colors are clear. They're clear to distinguish. So with that being said, guys, that is it. That is it for Try It Tuesday and this polygel. I really don't know how I feel about that. So that's that, okay? So I'm going to, let me move her out the way. I'm going to clean my brush real quick. I'll just show you how I do that. Just dip it in a little alcohol, get my sponge, and just wipe it off until it's clean. Now this polygel was thick. Look, it doesn't even want to come off the brush. It was really thick. And I like that. So, that could be another thumbs up. That it was thick. And normally when you have thick polygels, you could go a little bit extra with the alcohol. Typically, you want to put a little bit of alcohol. Yes, I know that. But if you have a thicker polygel, it's less likely to break apart and turn milky and white. So for beginners that are learning, if you don't really know how much alcohol to use yet, you want to start with maybe a thicker polygel because you're less likely to mess up, okay? So, wrong side. So that's how I clean my brush, guys. And then I like to clean the outside as well, because sometimes you get a little gel on there and it's sticky. All right, nail crew, that's all I have for you guys today. What do you guys think about Elite 99? Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? I mean, it's affordable, so I mean, why not? But at the same time, the colors aren't true to what you see online, so it's like, I keep going back and forth. So let me know what you guys think. I'm curious to hear from you guys. I'm curious to hear from my nail crew. All right, and like, comment, subscribe, duh.